Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Speechify Premium. Let's get started. First, open the Speechify app or go to speechify.com, sign up or log in, and you will usually see a 7-day or 14-day free trial offer for Premium. Another good method is the student discount. If you are a student, go to speechify.com/student and verify your email. You can get Speechify Premium at a huge discount or sometimes completely free for a limited time. You can also look for referral offers. Invite friends using your referral link. Both you and your friend can get free premium days. For the web version, the Chrome extension sometimes gives generous free limits even without premium. You can use it for basic needs without subscribing. Important tip, always cancel the trial before it ends if you don't want to be charged. That's it. These are the best legitimate ways to use Speechify Premium for free or at low cost in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.